Today we are here for a really fast and easy version of Anok Yai. I really googled her name, how to pronounce it, so I really hope I did it right. And while I'm literally emptying an entire pot of Essence Cream eyeshadow for this look, I think I deserve your like for making this tutorial simple, clear, and most importantly, budget-friendly. And if you use the same cream eyeshadows that I use your hands because it's so much easier to blend. In this look, I'm not using any type of powder, I'm using only bronzer and a little bit of gold eyeshadows for face. And of course, my favorite palettes from Game Beauty, it's Elemental Blast. I did full eye makeup only with this palette. And by the way, I also used gold from this palette to enhance my cheekbones. I don't really stop here for eye makeup look because I have quite the same makeup like summer makeup on my page, you can find it there. But if next time you'll want to see the full makeup tutorial, just let me know and I'll try to film it for you too. I really hope you're enjoying this tutorial. If you do, please subscribe to this channel because I have quite a lot of another tutorials and I also filmed free Met Gala looks for you. Let's finalize this look by gluing our glue tears with lash glue and finish them with a little bit of cream shadow on top.